Okay, let's dive right in. Now, we all get totally distracted by the flashy new AI models, right? But the reality behind the scenes, the absolute core truth of machine learning, is the complete supremacy of data over algorithms. There is a golden rule here, and it's actually pretty simple. A simple algorithm with great data will crush a brilliant algorithm with bad data almost every single time. The model is what gets all the headlines, sure, but the data quietly decides whether you win or lose. We've all heard the old engineering adage, garbage in, garbage out. Well, because a model literally has no independent common sense, it relies strictly on what you feed it. If your input is wrong or even just a little bit messy, the model doesn't somehow fix those flaws for you. No, it faithfully amplifies them right back at you.
Let's make this super concrete. Imagine you're building a real estate pricing model, but unbeknownst to you, there is a silent bug lurking right there in your training data.
Say a batch of prices accidentally gets recorded in the wrong currency. So, a true price of a $400,000 house is suddenly logged as $40,000. You could deploy the most sophisticated state-of-the-art algorithm ever invented against this, and it will still fail completely. Why? Because it's just dutifully learning from completely false numbers. And that brings us to the hard truth. No amount of mathematical cleverness downstream can rescue you from bad numbers upstream. Mathematical magic is just totally, utterly helpless against data failure. Which brings us to a slightly boring, kind of dirty secret of the data science profession. The bulk of the real work, it isn't the exciting modeling part at all. Practitioners consistently spend roughly 60 to 80% of their time entirely on data preparation. It's just a mountain of unglamorous, day-to-day grunt work. Finding data, cleaning it, fixing typos, handling missing values, reconciling weird formats, hunting down random errors. But here's the thing, that is the actual labor that makes the AI magic happen. This is exactly why tech giants compete so fiercely over data quality, not just data volume. A smaller pile of clean, accurate data will routinely beat a massive mountain of messy junk. Quality defeats flawed quantity. Every single time. So, the next time you hear about the latest state-of-the-art model, just remember this. Think of it like a kitchen. The algorithm, that's the chef. But the data is the ingredients. And absolutely no chef alive, however brilliant they might be, can cook a masterpiece out of spoiled ingredients. So I'll leave you with this final crucial thought for today's explainer. Are you getting your data right first? Because absolutely everything else is downstream of that. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you on the next one.